Praise the Lord. Good afternoon. 18 June 2025. Today, here Lankapara church construction progress up to one side. Roofing has been done. Just have look from this side. One side is completed. Due to electric cut, we could not continue other side. And here Pastor Bonga field director, due to electricity cut out, we are casting staircase here. And Pastor Choti, section pastor and field secretary, he is also creating new thing here. Here we are today. Today climate is little bit good, cool weather today because of no sunlight appear constantly. Here we are. Praise the Lord, very mercy.